Welcome back to the Designer's Guide to Electrofolio. Part 5. How to build a custom page. In this tutorial we're going to build and edit a custom page and learn how to make it your entry page. Let's run through the definition of a custom page and how it differs from slides. Remember that custom pages do not sit inside the My Work structure. They are independent pages and can be designed to have any layout and include any number of image boxes, text boxes, links or videos. From now on, we'll refer to custom pages simply as pages for convenience. Just remember not to confuse them with slides. Let's build a page. First, go to the Content Manager, which is where all content is created and edited. All pages are kept here and are represented by these purple boxes. To make a new page, just click here. Now we have two choices. We can build a page from scratch, or we can choose a template to edit. Let's have a look at the templates for a moment. There are 3 tabs. The first one contains templates that might be suitable for entry pages. As we've already created an entry page in Tutorial 2, let's have a look at the others. The next tab holds templates potentially suitable for a contact page. And the third tab holds templates that are generally more text-heavy. They'd be more suitable for blogs, essays, news or biography pages. You can start from a template and then amend it as you wish. Let's pick one of these to edit and click Proceed. OK, first we need to name the page. You should keep this name brief and succinct because Electrofolio will automatically create a link with this name at the foot of your website. Let's call it Biog. Now this template contains 2 empty text boxes, one for a title and one for body text. This blue box is a placeholder for an image. Let's fill the text boxes first. To edit a text box, just double-click on it. Now input the title of the page. Note this isn't the same thing as the page title we entered earlier. That was for the navigation, whereas this is the actual title that appears on the page. Let's call it Biography. There are various text editing features which we won't go into now. They'll be covered in full in Tutorial 7. Just click OK. Now, let's move the title down by a few pixels. Make sure the box is selected, then use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the box down a little. Like this. Good. Now let's input the body text. Double-click to edit. Now enter the text. You could just copy and paste from another document if you like. We're going to do that. Now notice how we've put in more text than will fit. Look, it has automatically created a scroll bar on the side of the text box. Ask yourself if this is desirable. In this case it isn't because there's only one more line of text. Look. So what you do is make the box a little bigger. Just grab it by this handle until the cursor changes and pull, like this. It's worth mentioning that you should watch out for unintentional little scroll bars on text boxes as they will look wrong on your site. However, if you have a large amount of text to scroll in a box, the scroll bar will be functional and look natural. Right, click OK, and now let's put an image in this picture box. Just double-click to edit. If you've been through the other tutorials, you'll recognize this pop-up. Check the box and choose an image to upload. Now click OK, and the picture will load in the box. If you want to change the crop of the picture, double-click and you will see there are 3 options on the panel. The default is that the picture is cropped inside the box. You can force the whole picture to fit inside the box, or you can force the picture to its maximum size. Let's just leave it as it was. Press Cancel. If you want to resize the box, just use the handles, like this. If you want to edit the picture in any other way, then use photo editing software such as Photoshop, Corel or GIMP. Okay, we've finished this page, so let's save it and go back to the Content Manager. Right, here's our new page. Now let's see it on the live site. Click on Live Preview. Now if you look at the bottom of the page, you'll see the link to our new page. Here it is. Good. Okay, back to the editor. Let's edit it some more. Now, let's say we wanted to add a different background to this page. If you look here, you'll see a palette of what we call drag and drop components. Just grab the background picture item from the palette and drop it on the page. You can add new text boxes, picture boxes, YouTube videos or links in exactly the same way. The picture upload pop-up has opened for you. Upload an image. Tip: don't forget to choose an image that allows the text on top to be legible. Now the picture has loaded in the background. Let's toggle the page to real scale to examine the result full size. You do that by clicking on this button. You can move the palette out of the way. Just grab it from the top and drag it. You can stretch almost any pop-up just by pressing Shift on your keyboard and moving the mouse wheel up or down. Let's put it back. Okay, there is more. If you prefer stretching the whole editor to your screen size, you can right-click and select Fit Screen Mode On. You can do this anywhere in Electrofolio, but let's keep it as it is here. Okay, good. Let's say that you wanted to change the opacity of the background slightly to improve legibility of the text. Double-click the background to edit. Drag the opacity slider a bit, and click OK when it looks good. Now we have to save. You might have to stretch back the edited page, otherwise you might not find the Save button. Now save and return to the Content Manager. There's one last thing we're going to do before we end this tutorial. Look here, you'll notice the home page has a white center, but the new page is solid purple or has a thumbnail. That's because the home page is currently set as the entry page. That's what the white bit means. But we can allocate any page to be the entry page. Let's make the biog page the entry page. Click the biog page once to select it. Now click on this button, Set as Entry Page. The biog page has now turned white, and therefore it is now the entry page. To prove it, let's go to the live site. But don't forget to save the change first. There, the biog page is the first place that loads, and when you click on it, it takes us into My Work. This generic link to My Work only happens on the entry page when we have uploaded slides. Okay, but what if we wanted to link more than one custom page together? Or, how about if we wanted to set up a menu of links from a custom home page directly to a specific galleries, i.e. bypassing the My Work structure? That's the subject of the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.